Yes, sir. We back. We back. One stop drip shop unboxing in the bando. Well, we ain't unboxing, man. We just bringing y'all that shit, man. We just bringing y'all that shit. This what y'all fuck with me for, man. Why y'all put shit together. Hopefully, it's why y'all fuck with a nigga y'all showed up. But y'all can leave in the comments why y'all here, you know? Start a conversation and shit. Fuck with a real nigga, man. But without further ado, I'm here to bring you some LV trainers, you know? This the motherfucking black and gray drip all day edition, you know? I mean, what can I say about these that you don't know? You know, these is one of the hardest pairs of Louis out, in my opinion. The trainers, you feel me? Trainers is very, very tough, man. Very, very tough, you know? Very, very tough. Like, look at all these details on this shit, man. You know? These is very, very tough. Is this my favorite color? No. But is it the right color when you got this shirt? Yes. You feel me? So that's what it is. That's what it was, man. You know? So I end up hopping on these shits. Damn, this might be a little lazy video. Ain't no excitement in this shit, man. Just some good fucking drip, man. It's 3 in the morning. What y'all want from a nigga, bro? You know, you pull up with this fit, it's up, nigga. So just appreciate me for bringing y'all this shit, man. I know I've been stingy with the content, but your boy is back, man. Your boy is back. You feel me? I'm back, baby. So what else y'all want to hear? See about these? You know, the new LV shits they adding. The little bowl joint on the tongue. I don't remember my other shits having these. Or, you feel me? You get this on the tongue now. Ain't really too much changes, you know? Shout out to Virgil for these. These was like, they put me in the mind of an old pair of J's, like the 3s. Like, he matched up like the old Nike Forces, some J's, and just came up with these shits, man. A fire pair of feet, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, these is tough right here. Oh yeah, this is on the back. They throwing this on the back now. My other joints ain't had these on the back, but these do, you know? Let me know what y'all think about these, you feel me? For the fit, I had did a all black pair of a Mary's, yeah. I had some galleries that I originally bought that I thought was gonna go fire with these, but the galleries they was throwing off the shirt, you know what I mean? It was a little bit gray, a little bit black. You know how galleries do the fade be crazy, but it was throwing off the shirt. Shit wasn't complimenting the shirt, wasn't complimenting the fit. So yeah, I had to go with some Marys. I got some like a couple good pair of black Marys, couple go-tos when I just want to pull a fit off real quick. You know, as you should too. You always need a good pair of black jeans in your arsenal, gang. You need to. You need a good pair of black jeans, a good pair of blue jeans. You feel what I'm saying? Just in case, bro. Like some real good, clean go-to shits that'll go with any good fit. You know what I mean? Because sometimes you rushing, man, or sometimes you just had enough bread to get you a shirt and some sneakers, you know? But you still need to have a good pair of jeans that you could blend with your other fits that a motherfucker don't know. Yeah, this that same ass black pair of jeans, or that's that same blue jeans he always wearing. You know what I mean? Get you one with not too much design, no designs on it, period, if you can. Maybe some little rips or a little distress on it, you know? But not too much where it's obvious that you wearing them same motherfucking pants, you feel me? Sometimes you ain't there yet, gang. You gotta crawl before you walk, man. Sometimes, ain't even sometimes, a lot of times, niggas on the come up, man. You ain't there yet to go spend 4 bands, 5 bands on a whole fit, new shirt, new kicks, new pants and all that shit, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta, it ain't necessarily faking it till you make it, because we don't do that shit over here, man. We just trying to make it, nigga. Ain't no faking in this shit, you feel me? But until you there to be able to cop a whole new fit every time, nigga, nah. Do the shit fly niggas do, man. You feel me? Be discreet, young boy. Be discreet, man. Get you a nice pair of jeans that fit you good. No crazy shit on it. You be able to spank them joints a couple times, man. But yeah, man. One stop drip shop. Play ahead to stay ahead. You know what I'm saying? Save your money, nigga. If you ain't, this ain't your time yet, nigga, it ain't your time, nigga. Stay down till you come up. Trust me, it will be your time, my boy. You will have a time, you know what I'm saying? Don't go fucking your money off trying to get like niggas and you ain't there yet, you feel me? But yeah, one more thing I want to say about this shirt, man. This shit is gonna have you. This shit, man. I was hot as a pistol in this shirt, man. So this ain't the shirt you wear on the hottest day, you feel me? Nice little cool day. Yeah, throw this bitch on, man. She's gonna sweat like a motherfucker. It's a little sweater type material in this bitch. It ain't no light ass material, gang. So play ahead to stay ahead, man. One stop drift shop, unboxing in the bando. You know what I'm saying? Just came with some news y'all could use. Yeah. We about this shit though, man. Videos getting a little bit longer. I ain't gonna say I'm getting better with the content, man, because I took a couple months off, so I wouldn't even be able to determine if a nigga getting better. But leave something in the comments what y'all think about these videos a nigga been cranking out for y'all, man. But we about this shit. One stop drip shop, unboxing in the bando. Play ahead to stay ahead.